this is a tutorial on how to get this curly, blow dry, volumed look, all with your Dyson Airwrap. So, Dyson Airwrap, with this one, the fat boy, the fat one that you get in your kit. Bob, as a bobber, I thought there's no chances I can use this. Also, I did just spill this in the making of this video. I did not come on like this on purpose. I thought that is like an irrelevant tool for me because my hair's short, until I tried it and it does this. Where you can wear your hair on any side. You can have it back. It just gives it so much life and it makes it look super healthy. So yeah, I'm going to show you now. Stay tuned. Right, hello guys. First of all, I don't have any pants on. I've got just knickers on, so if you see a bit of bum, ignore it. I'm going to show you today how to use my Airwrap for a flicky volume bob, as you would have seen just before. But yeah, and I'll show you exactly how I do it, what products I use, how I get this bob, bring some back to life. I bring this bob back to life, and just step by step, because I would have loved this video about 4 months ago when I didn't know what to do with my Airwrap. So I'm bringing it for you short-haired girlies. So my hair is about this length, just above the shoulder, and it is a straight bob. I think it's called Josh cuts it, so I don't know the technical term, but I think it's just a straight bob. I don't know. I just need to put some moisturiser on because I am looking rough as a dog. Yes, so I did this the other day for my 30th dinner, and I thought, right, I'm going to try this new tool that I haven't really touched because I thought it wouldn't work on my hair because I've got short hair, and I always think like that one's just for the long-haired gals, but it's actually not. It just does a total different thing. So this is what you get in your normal pack of Dyson. So you get all your brushes, your hot brushes, then you get these two curlers. And if you can see, this one's the fatter one, this is the thinner one. So we're going to be using the fatter one. And as you can imagine, I thought I'm not going to get anything with that because that's not even like 2 rounds, is it? So I will show you how to use these and get the most out of them. So here we go. First of all, ow. Right, first of all, I do like to put a bit of mousse on. Actually, do I put mousse on first or this? I've been using this Dream Coat, and I'm due one, but apparently you're meant to put loads of it on. I've seen, like, you're meant to, like, drench the hair. And this is meant to help with it looking frizzy Lizzy, which is nice. So, yeah, and then I just push this through. And it's meant to help with, like, flyaways and humidity. That's meant to help that. So anyway, and then what I put on, I've got hair in my eyes done. I put on this VO5 big volume mousse. I had this for so long. It was the first one I picked up months ago, but it's actually really good. And if you rub it in, so like I literally run it through the whole of the hair, because honestly with the Airwrap, it's really good to have some sort of thing in it, like some sort of treatment, or like, I don't know what it's called, like a product where it's going to like cling to it, because if it's really soft, really clean, it's just not going to cling to it, unfortunately, which is really annoying. So you do need something to like just harden the hair a little bit, and then I normally just brush that through. So now with this bit, your hairdryer bit, you're going to hairdry your hair, but do not, I repeat, do not let it parton. So just blow dry it all the way back like this. And then you can parton it this way, but make sure you parton it back and parton it that way and straight back. Because if you parton it, it's going to look flat. So you want it to the point where your hair like can drop any side and it's got lots of volume. Because you know, if you parton your hair here and then you put it over on that side, it's massive, isn't it? Because it's not fell and not straight and there. I'm not a hairdresser, but that's just what I know. So right now I'm going to dry my hair. So it's 90% dry. So it's got a little bit of moisture in it still for the styling part. But right, I'm going to dry this now. And you can see now, I'll just fast forward it, how I do it, and you can copy it. I am just going to separate it off. Oh gosh. To about half. Was a little clippy in there. And then I have about this much hair. And then now. So you need to grab your piece, your fat boy, that is going to suck it under. Like this one. Right, that's going over. So that's going that way. I need the one that's going round like that. You're just going to see like about this much hair. Let it suck it up. And make sure you are doing, instead, normally I'll go like this if I'm curling it in the small curler. With this one, because you are after all the volume in the root lift, do it this way, like horizontal like that. And that'll help you so much because it'll go shh and pull it in like a roller. And then if you've got the clips, I would clip it as well. But if you haven't got the clips, it's fine because your hair's short anyway. But just try and make sure you've got a clip for the front. So I'll show you. Like, it doesn't have to be perfect. Like, look, see like this? And then you're going to blast it with cold air. That's the trick. Blast it with cold air for about 5-6 seconds. So by that button here, you've got to push that up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Like that. You see? It's very curly. And you're just going to go around the full bottom section and then we're going to go to the next bit. So your bottom section should look like this. Sorry, it's not helping that I'm in a dog room. You see it's like flicked in. Don't worry, it's not going to be like that because it'll have a curl in the longer. My hair goes longer, the more it goes higher. So you've got more to work with. So then I'll just do the same thing and I'll just do another layer. Put your top up because your top is very different. How are you going to do it? Because you're going to do it away from the face. And just continue doing the same thing with the rest of the hair. Like we've just done horizontally. This is the level of volume. It should look like this. Like a big bushy bob. Right? This is the level we should be at. Because once you get the top bit on, it's going to look fabulous. Okay? So now, the top bit. I have actually got quite a lot of hair here. So I'm going to have to section this off somehow. I'm going to have to probably do the back part. So you want the hair to go around it like that. This way. Okay? And then from your crown, you're going to go backwards. And it'll be like that. Got this here as well. You go on top of your head now. Because you want it to be like this, so when it falls down, it'll be re-volumed. You're going to get your blowy fringe from. So, if you have got a little clip of some sort, what have I got? I've got one of these which are really handy. You get these on Amazon. Like, you know, just some of these you can get like a pack. And this is really good for getting your fringe bit in. So, I feel very 90s with this. So just get your front piece. If it's too thick, your front piece, if it's too thick, your front piece, you can do this in 2 stages. Like, separate it and then roll it into the same bit. So the same way we've been doing it, you can just pull it out like this. Right, normally it would be better than that, but you can just pull it out. And it gives you a bloody curl for your pin curl. So I'm just going to pin curl that bit. So just roll that round so it's a tube. We're just going to pin this so we can get as much longevity out of the top curl as possible. What you're going to do is, it's like a wide tooth comb. I've got this one from Lulabelle, so you can get them everywhere really. Just brush your hair through. It literally lifts your hair so it feels so light and like swoosh, swoosh. Like, look how much volume's in that. So now I'm just going to do my makeup, come back and I'll show you what the fringe looks like once it's out, because this is a good time to get your makeup done because it's already pinned up. Right, okay, so I'm an idiot. Look what I've just done. I just did a video about my makeup, so you'll see that, or you know that'll be the new year vid. But my hair is currently set. I turned this light off. Oh, and you can see what it looks like now. So we'll take it down. I can't believe how dirty I've just put this white top on. Look how annoying that is. Right, because it's been sitting there. Look at this volume. Like, I've left that about 20 minutes. So now, you can just, like, look how volumed it is. And you can do it any way you want. Like, look, I can wear it this side. If you just figured it out. You can wear it this side. You can wear it back, like this. Pin the whole top layer, and that would help loads if you're going to like a bowl or something where you need it to stay in. And also like just spritz a little bit of hairspray as well on top of this, but a little bit of shine spray wouldn't go amiss. But yeah, and when it drops, it just drops like a nice blow dry. Like it doesn't look like frazzled because you've dried it in a nice way. So this is the look. I hope you like it and I hope you try it. So yeah,